Research Methodology and Data Analysis. Lesson 11. Selecting an appropriate research design. Research design. The research design serves as a master plan of the methods and procedures for the researcher to collect and analyze the data required by the research. Determining the most suitable research design is a function of research objectives and the specific requirements of the research. In this master plan, the researcher must consider the type of data required, the design technique, survey, observation, experiment, and case study, the sampling methodology and procedures, the schedule, and the budget. Non-experimental research. Non-experimental research includes a variety of different methods that describe relationships between variables. For example, the survey on television watching behavior of teenagers and adults. The researcher would like to know what programs the teenagers watch on television. Non-experimental research has two types, that are exploratory and descriptive. The exploratory research design. Exploratory research is conducted to clarify the nature of ambiguous problems. Ambiguous means that the nature of the problem is unclear, in which the objectives are vague and decision alternatives are difficult to understand. The purpose of exploratory research is to explore the problem or situation to gain better understanding about the dimensions of the problem. The exploratory research design. Exploratory research is not intended to provide conclusive evidence from which to determine a particular course of action. Usually, exploratory research is conducted with the expectation that subsequent research will be required to provide such conclusive evidence. Therefore, exploratory research is conducted for three interrelated purposes. 1. Diagnosing a situation. 2. Screening alternatives, and 3. Discovering new ideas. The descriptive research design. The major purpose of descriptive research, as the name implies, is to describe the characteristics of a population or an existing phenomenon. Descriptive research is not a stand-alone research, it serves as a basis for other types of research. Comparison of research design objective. Exploratory. To discover the insights and new ideas about the problem at hand. To confirm a problem. Descriptive. To describe the problem at hand and relate to the characteristics of the population under study. Causal. To determine the cause and effect relationship between the independent and dependent variables. Comparison of research design characteristics. Exploratory. Flexible, versatile, and does not based on a proper research design. Descriptive. Based on specific objectives, research questions, and research hypotheses of the study. Causal. Manipulation of independent variables, and measure the effects on the dependent variable. Comparison of research design methods. Exploratory. Expert interviews, pilot surveys, analyze secondary data, and conduct qualitative research. Descriptive. Structured data collection method, proper statistical data analysis procedure. Causal. Laboratory experiments, changes in the level of independent variables. Changes in government policy on import tax, etc. Example of possible findings. Exploratory. The volume of car sales is declining. However, the exact factor causing the problem is still unclear at this stage. Descriptive. The volume of car sales is related to specific factors such as rate of interest, economic growth, increase in population. Causal. The rate of interest on car loan, the import duty, and certain automobile policies affect the sale of cars in the country. Please continue the following lesson. Thank you for watching.